Good morning. We come to you from the beautiful Curaçao. We are here going to do a highlights of Curaçao and Mumbo Beach. So we got to go find our group. But I just want to check in with you and say good morning. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And let's go see all that Curaçao has to offer. Hello, ladies. Hey. Good morning. How are you? Looking beautiful. First stop, Mambo Beach. Looks delicious. I just ordered us 2 drinks, guys. So we got pina colada, strawberry daiquiri. Okay, guys, so we just got a quick little light bite here. Just want to kind of show you what we got. So guys, I just want to let you know, these 2 ladies that I'm about to introduce to you, they let us borrow these 2 towels because we didn't have towels. Hi, thank you ladies so much. I appreciate you. Enjoy your day.
Yes, enjoy the beach.
Thank you. It is cloudy, but it is still a beautiful day. So just so you can see what the water looks like here at Mumbo Beach. Again, cloudy, overcast, so not a sunny day, but nonetheless a good beach day. So you can kind of see what the water looks like. Okay guys, if I ever come back to Curaçao, I want to come stay here. I don't know what that says, Contiki Luxury Suites. Look at that, isn't that nice? And what I noticed is they have their own private, I don't know if you can see their private entrance out, looks like into the beach. So bye Mambo Beach. It's been real. Time to shop. All right guys, so this is a little shopping area right here outside of the cruise port. So it's gonna show you briefly. It's in between the 2 cruise ships that are in port today.
We'll run over you. I'm hurrying. I was shocked myself.
One taxi to the beach.
Yeah, me too. I'm going to go see the beach. I get it. You take your time.
Is there a shirt or anything you want to get?
We'll show you the beach.
How are you? Emma floating pontoon bridge. Okay guys, so this was on my ultimate must-do list while in Curaçao. We almost missed it because the cruise actually kind of readjusted the cruise schedule kind of last minute. So they cut our time in Curaçao, but this was one of the things that I just absolutely had to do. This again, like I said, is the Queen Emma pontoon floating bridge. It actually will open and close to let ships pass through. Only thing is, guys, you have to make sure not to get caught on this pontoon bridge during the time when a vessel needs to pass to the other side, because you can get stuck on the bridge anywhere from 30 minutes up to an hour and possibly miss your cruise ship. So the bridge just closed. We actually were just on the bridge. We literally just got off like seconds before the bell went off. So it is about to swing open. So I'm excited to see it. So we get to watch it swing open. That was perfect timing. So I don't know if you can see it well, but it is swinging open. It's gonna come this way to allow a boat to go through our ship. Those people are stuck on the bridge until whatever passes through the water gets to the other side. You can actually now really see how the bridge is actually moving closer and closer to us. So I'm going to walk to the other side just so you can get a better view of what it looks like when the bridge is actually open. You kind of have a different angle and can appreciate actually how this bridge actually works. And so see, now it has swung open. So you can kind of see here where the tracks are. Isn't that amazing? And so it just came all the way over. And so everybody's coming off now that was stuck on the bridge. All right, so that's what just passed through Queen Emma pontoon floating bridge. That's what had us held up there. So there's the pontoon bridge. And that's what needed to pass by. And last but not least,
that's a very old copper silk and it is still in use. Yes? What do we do over here? The last ingredient that we'll put together is the sugar. So this is here where they will put the sugar and then add it with the rest of the. All these are the Curaçao liqueurs. Yeah? What do we have here? The first one, the clear one. Then we have the red, the blue, orange, and the greens. And the green. Yes? Remember, these together, we call them the triple sec. They have the same taste, orange. The colors is just for to make your cocktail different, like the blue colada, the Mai Tai, the red devil, sunset, whatever that you would like, okay? Yes, and these are 31% of alcohol. Then we have the tasty one, tamarind, chocolate, rum and raisin, and coffee. These are 25% of alcohol. In 2019, we had a limited edition, the Curaçao Senior. This is 40% of alcohol. Yes? All these are available here at the shop. Yes? Okay. Listen to me please carefully. This is the mentholated splash, the alcoholado glacial. It is good for everything against anything. Mosquito bite, when eating, headache, when hot, fever, stuffed nose, stomach ache. You can also use it as aftershave. It's very good. Yes. This is the only thing here. Do not drink. Don't drink this. External use only. Yes? And you know something also too? When the young ladies, when you have the period, you know that terrible thing at the end of the month? You have to do this, like this. Gone. Problem solved. Okay? Now I will give you a spray and then you will go to the taste table. Remember, 9:35. Yes, we have to be back on board. Okay, remember that. 9:35. Yes?
Uh-huh. Thank you. And I'm getting this one. And then I want to get the chocolate. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give it a taste. I don't really drink, but I want to try the chocolate, so I'm gonna try the chocolate, see what it tastes like. Woo! Chocolate is strong, but you can taste the chocolate. It is strong. Woo! I'm gonna taste the blue one. Let's see. Almost tastes like mouthwash. But I think I like the chocolate the best. And then let's see. Woo! Rum Curacao. We even have snacks. Buy some of that? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Get a small bottle. I guess one of these. So guys, this is supposed to cure almost anything: headache, menstrual cramp, rashes, mosquito bites. So we may get some of this. I'm gonna go right above it here. Guys, and just like that, we have made it back to the ship. We have had a quick day here in Curaçao. Definitely it gives me a reason to come back. I did not get to do near everything that I planned to do, but we did get out. So we got to go on a bus ride. We got to go to Mumbo Beach, sit there for a while, soak up the sun, the sand, and the water. Got something to eat. Then we went souvenir shopping, went to Fort Riff, as well as walked on Queen Emma pontoon floating bridge. So we had a good time. Got some souvenirs. It was short, definitely short. They cut our port time here short. I think we were supposed to stay initially till 5 or 6, and so they cut it down till 2:30 because they added one more port. So it is what it is. So that just means we have to come back. But if you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. Hit subscribe, follow me along my journey, because you never know where I end up next. All right, guys, until next time, from beautiful Curaçao and Oasis of the Seas, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.